Children, we are seeing the lesson Municipality and Corporation. We shall continue. Mugilan has uncle who is the head of the corporation. Who is the head of the corporation? The chairperson of the corporation is called mayor. So the chairperson of the corporation is called as mayor. He is called as the mayor. He is also called as the father of the corporation. So who is called as the father of the corporation? Mayor. Mayor is called as the father of the corporation. The tenure of the members of the corporation is 5 years. So the ruling period of the person is also only 5 years. The Indian Administrative Service officers and similar rank holders are appointed by the government to the corporation. Most of the urban areas have corporation. Okay, so who appoints these persons? These persons are appointed by the government. So the leaders and the chairperson of the corporations are appointed by the government. Most of the urban areas means what? Cities, they have corporation. Municipal corporation. So see the corporation: Chennai Corporation, Madurai, Coimbatore, Tiruchirappalli, Salem, Tirunelveli, Velur, Tuticorin, Tirupur, Erode, Tanjavur, Dindukkal, Hosur, Nagarkoil, Avadi. These are the municipal corporations of Tamil Nadu. Okay. What are the duties of corporation? So what are the duties of the corporation? Constructing and maintaining the city roads. What does the corporation do? They construct and maintain the roads. Providing drinking water facilities for the people. So we need proper drinking water. So these are organized by the corporation. Disposing garbages. So the garbages disposal is also done by the members of the corporation. Constructing libraries and maintaining them. Creating parks and maintaining. So each corporation in each ward we have government parks. Maintaining of birth and death records. So every place we have to get birth certificate. Birth certificate is very important, as well as birth certificate is important. In the same way, death certificate is also important. So these records are maintained by the corporation. Okay. So the birth certificate and the death certificates are maintained by the corporation. Say they know the census of the certain wards and the corporation. What is the source of income to the corporation? So how do these people also get income? The amount collected from professional tax. So here also these people get their income by the tax we pay. So we should pay our tax properly. Wealth tax, entertainment tax, custom duties and road tax are the source of income to the corporation. So what are the taxes we pay? Professional tax, wealth tax, entertainment tax, custom duties, road tax. These are the source of income for the corporation. What else are there besides municipality and corporation? Other than these, what do these corporation and municipality do? Apart from corporation and the municipality town, panchayat also exists. So apart from corporation and municipality, there is also town panchayat. The tenure of the president and other members is 5 years. So the ruling period of every members is only 5 years, because once in 5 years we have election and the ruling party changes, the government changes, and they appoint their members for every place. Panchayat is governed by the executive officer. So panchayat is governed by the executive officer. Panchayat is governed by the executive officer. Town panchayat functions in places where the population exceeds 5,000 people. So town panchayat will function means where they rule is where population exceeds more than 5,000 people. 5,000 people ku mela irundangana town panchayat will be functioning over there. Uncle, I came to know the administration of municipality and corporation very well. So thank you very much. What does Mugilan say? He has understood about the administration and corporation very well. We'll see the glossary of this lesson. What do you mean by government? Government is the political system by which a country is administrated. Administrated means ruled. Administrated means ruled. Government is the political system by which a government is administrated. Tax. What is tax? A part of the income or profits paid by the people to the government. So people pay taxes. How do they pay tax? The income, the part of their income அவங்க earn பண்ணுறதுல and all the profit is paid to the government. Tenure means that the period of time, எவ்வளோ time period வந்து they are going to rule, the period of their ruling time. Revenue means fees earned for the service provided. Revenue means fees earned for the service provided, and the service provide பண்ணுறதுக்கு they are earning some amount. Population, all the people who live in an area, ஒரு ஏரியாவில் எத்தனை people இருக்காங்க, that is called as the population. Administration, the arrangement and tax needed to control the operation of an organization. What do you mean by administration? It is the arrangement and tasks needed to control the operation of an organization. Organization means another ஒரு set of ஆர்கனைசேஷன்னா ஒரு குரூப். அந்த குரூப்பில் ஹவு டு தே அரேஞ்ச், எப்படி அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, எப்படி டாஸ்க் ஒரு ப்ராப்ளமே எப்படி சால்வ் பண்ணுறாங்க, எப்படி அதை கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணுறாங்க, திஸ் இஸ் செட் டுகெதர், இட் இஸ் கால்ட் ஆஸ் அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேஷன். ஓகே. டிஸ்போஸ் மீன்ஸ் த்ரோயிங் அவே சம்திங் தட் யூ நோ லாங்கர் வாண்ட் ஆர் நீட். ஸோ எதை நம்ம டிஸ்போஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? வேஸ்ட். டிஸ்போஸ் மீன்ஸ் வேஸ்ட்டை தான் நம்ம தேவையில்லைன்னு தூக்கி போடுவோம். டிஸ்போஸ் மீன்ஸ் த்ரோயிங் இட் அவே, which you don't need, நம்மளுக்கு தேவையில்லைன்னு நினைக்காத நம்ம தூக்கி போடுறோம், that is called as dispose. Professional tax. What is professional tax? Tax that is levied by the state government on all individuals who earn. So earn பண்ணுறவங்க பே பண்ணுறது கவர்மெண்ட்டில் அவங்களோட இன்கமில் ஆர் ப்ராஃபிட்டில் கொஞ்சம் அமௌண்ட் பே பண்ணுறது இஸ் கால்ட் as professional tax. Professional tax is that amount paid by the individuals who earn, சம்பாதிக்கிறவங்க earn பண்ணுறவங்க பே பண்ணுறது called as professional tax.